Hi everyone and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to download the Corgi Ledger and then attach the scripts that operate both the Clear Corgis button and the bonus spin button. Before you get started downloading the Ledger, you do need to make sure that you have a Gmail email address. The Ledger is a Google Sheets, which will go directly into your Google Drive. You get that for free when you have a Gmail address. If you don't have one yet, just scroll down and look for this gray button. It says click here to get one for free, and it'll take you to the Gmail account creation page. You just click on that red button, follow the directions, and you'll be up and running in no time. So once you do have a Gmail account, you can come back to the home page at corgiledger.com and go ahead and click to download the Ledger. It'll prompt you to make a copy of the Ledger. Go ahead and click the blue button, and it takes just a second to open it up. And here's the Ledger. The first thing you want to do is go to the top left-hand corner and go ahead and delete out where it says copy of and write your child's name. Now we need to go get the script that we're going to attach to the Ledger. So head on back over to corgiledger.com. At the top where it says resources, go ahead and click. And then it says right at the top of that page that here's the Corgi Ledger script file. Just click on the really cute Corgi and you'll be prompted to make a copy. Again, it's going to go right into your Google Drive. These are the scripts. Let's get them attached to the Ledger. So back over to the Corgi Ledger. Up at the top in the very top menu, click on Tools and then Script Editor. And that opens up the script editor for us. The little bit of code that's in there we don't need, so go ahead and delete it out. Then go to your copy of the Corgi Ledger script, highlight everything, press Ctrl-C to copy, go back over to the script editor and press Ctrl-V to paste. Now up where it says Untitled Project, just click and it'll open up this window. Go ahead and type Corgi script and click OK. Just make sure that the name has changed at the top before you click File and Save. Okay, back to the Corgi Ledger. Let's get it attached to the buttons. Down along the bottom, you'll see all our different academic, cleaning, task, and rewards tabs, and then all the months of the year. Go ahead and click on January. And then this cute picture of the Corgi is going to be your button that your kids will push each night when they're ready to clear out the tabs and get everything ready for the next day. So to attach a script, it's really simple. Just right-click on that picture, and these three little dots will appear. Go ahead and left-click on those and select Assign Script. It'll automatically populate with the words Clear Corgis. If it doesn't for some reason, just go ahead and type it in. Just make sure the C in Corgis is capitalized. Then click OK. Give it just a moment to save. And then go ahead and click on the Corgi picture again. If you caught it, it said running script up here in a little green box, and then this pop-up comes up. It says authorization is required. Remember that the reason why these are not attached is because we're not a Google publisher, and you're going to be the publisher for your own script. So go ahead and click continue, and we're going to authorize it. Your email address should show right here. Go ahead and click on it. It says it's not verified because, again, you're the one that created it. Click Advanced, scroll down, and click Go to Corgi Script. And it says, hey, if you allow this, then you'll be able to see, edit, create, and delete your spreadsheets. And that's what we want to do. So go ahead and click Allow. Give it just a moment. And then if everything's gone to plan, when I click on this picture again, a pop-up should appear right here letting me know that I've cleared my Corgis. And there we go, so success. Now we just need to attach it to the rest of the months. That process is even simpler. So go ahead and click on February. Go to the picture and right click, then left click on the dots and click Assign Script. It'll already be in there. Click OK. Give it just a moment. You'll see you do not have to authorize it again after that first one. Go to March, same thing. Right click on the picture, left click on the dots, click Assign Script, and OK. And April, right click on the picture, left click on the dots, click Assign Script, and OK, and so on and so forth for the rest of the months. If you have a smaller window on your computer and it's not displaying all of the months, you just need to click this button that says scroll right to make the rest of them show up. So if you were wondering where the rest of the months are, they're hiding right behind this little menu. Okay, the last step is to attach the script for the bonus spin. So we want to go to the Rewards tab, and there's another really cute corgi. So just right click on that one, left click on the dots, and click Assign Script. You'll notice that this one's blank. What we want to type in here is random number, all one word, no spaces, and the N in number is capitalized. That is important. So go ahead and click OK. Give it a moment to save, and then if all has gone well, when I click this photo again, a pop-up will appear that displays a random number between 1 and 999. So let's give it a shot. And we have success. So you'll see it says running script up at the top, and then this pop-up shows up. This is the number that your children will then use to figure out how many bonus corgis they have for that day. And then all our things are connected and up and running. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section of this video, or you can head over to our Facebook group, the Corgi Ledger Facebook group, and leave comments there. I check questions often, or you can head back to corgiledger.com and click on the contact section and email me that way. Thanks for watching.